Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the bike ready. Degrease and rinse so the metal is bare and free of grit, because dirt scratches when you polish. Once done, tape off painted or sealed areas and remove quick-release wheels or accessories to access metal. Apply a small amount of rubbing compound to a soft pad and test in a hidden spot. You want cutting action without removing plating. Work in short passes to feel the metal change under the pad. Keep surfaces cool to avoid heat damage. Now you move through graded abrasives to refine the surface. Start with the coarser compound to remove pits and corrosion, then switch to medium, and finish with fine polish for shine. Use overlapping strokes at a consistent angle and moderate pressure so you don't round edges or remove too much metal. Constant motion avoids heat buildup. Make sure to clean the pad and switch microfibers between compounds because cross-contamination produces scratches. Once you see uniform reflection, stop and inspect under bright light to catch missed spots. Finish by removing all polish residue with a clean cloth, then apply a thin coat of metal sealant or wax to lock in the shine and slow future corrosion. Reassemble wheels and accessories, torque hardware to spec, and spin parts to ensure nothing binds. That protects both looks and function. If you see persistent deep pits or plating loss, don't over-polish, repair with a metal filler, or consider professional rechrome. If polishing creates heat discoloration, let the metal cool and use a finer polish to blend the area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.